What's up? I'm Colton, and this is my 2020 Jeep Gladiator, and I want to talk to you about this hard roll-up tonneau cover from Truck2go. I've had this thing installed in the truck for about 2 weeks now, and I absolutely love it. It was really easy to install. It only took me about an hour. I only needed help once to lift the assembled tonneau on here, and this thing is just rock solid. Like before, I had a soft trifold tonneau, and really anybody could have probably gotten in the bed of the truck pretty easily, but this thing gives me a ton of peace of mind. It is just solid as can be. Locks on both sides, but they're both keyed the same, so I only have to add one key to my key ring, and this thing is just absolutely solid. It also has a couple of features that were just not available in 2019 when I got the Gladiator, like these accessory rails here on the side. So this is a tonneau cover that actually allows you to add a bed rack of a variety of different kinds, which was like unheard of back when I first got the truck. Like you could not find a tonneau cover that would let you put a solid, bed rack on here for, kayaks or a rooftop tent or any form of off-road accessory. So these are really solid too. They sit on top of the bed rail and bolt into the factory or aftermarket accessory rails here with these really beefy brackets, so it's not going anywhere. And then you don't actually lose very much bed space at all with this. My soft trifold really took up about this much space once you folded the first two sections back. It wasn't the kind that folded up and blocked your rear view, so you really still get all the bed space and functionality out of it. I can stash all my gear in here super confidently and super easily, so I just absolutely love this thing, and I can't wait to see how it holds up. Super weather sealed, keeps everything nice and safe. Just absolutely love it.